Well, this is the kind of moment that makes defense analysts sit up straight and global capitals pay attention because while most of the world was busy with headlines and politics, a silent American aircraft lifted off and headed straight towards one of the most volatile regions on the planet Earth. And the timing? That is almost impossible to ignore. The question is, are the US and Iran moving closer to confrontation? Is Washington preparing for something really, really big? This is me, Dhriti Autry on Times XP, and let's decode what is just happening here. January 28th, 2026, early hours, RAF, Mildenhall, United Kingdom. One of America's most secretive intelligence aircraft begins its journey. No dramatic announcement, though no flashing alerts. Just a quiet takeoff. But aviation watchers, they notice something really unusual almost immediately. The aircraft's call sign, Olive 48, the platform, RC-135V, river joint. Now pause here because this is not an ordinary plane that we are talking about. River joint, what is it? Well, think of it as a flying intelligence command center. Not designed to drop bombs though, not built for dogfights. Instead, it's a weapon that is information. This particular aircraft can intercept military communication, track radar emissions, monitor missile system, map electronic battle network also, and listen to the signal across enormous distances. And now in modern warfare, whosoever controls information controls the battlefield. And the river joint, it specializes in exactly that thing. Also the route, it raised the eyebrows. Open source flight trackers, the same kind used by aviation experts and defense researchers, began mapping the entire journey. Well, the aircraft reportedly crossed strategic air corridors near Cairo, Israel, Jordan, before heading straight to Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar. Now, understand the significance here. Al Udeid is not just another base, right? It is one of the largest US military hubs in the Middle East. It hosts forward command operations, it supports air campaign, it anchors America's regional strategy. If intelligence aircrafts are heading over there, something is being watched very carefully. But you know why now? Because tensions between the US and Iran, they are already running dangerously high. The region is layered with friction, military buildup, proxy networks, in fact, naval patrol, military capabilities, strategic warning, everything. Over here, every move is being measured, every signal is being intercepted. And into this environment enters a high-powered surveillance aircraft. Coincidence? Well, highly unlikely. But here's another deal, one that defense experts are whispering about. Reports suggest that a nuclear-capable US warship is also positioned for rapid deployment. Though not necessarily a sign that war is imminent, but absolutely a signal of military readiness. And in geopolitics, posture matters. Sometimes showing strength is meant to prevent a fight, not start one. So the question is, what could the US be looking for? Several possibilities: monitoring Iranian missile activity, tracking drone deployments, observing naval movements in the Gulf, in fact, gathering early warning intelligence and preparing contingency plan. Remember here, before any major military decision comes surveillance. No country walks into uncertainty blindly, right? And then the political layer. Donald Trump has been known for dramatic, unpredictable foreign policy messaging. Supporters call it strength, critics, they call it brinkmanship. But one thing is undeniable here: when military moments and political signaling, they happen together, the world notices. Iran notices, Russia notices, China notices, and oil market notices. Because even the hint of a conflict in the Middle East, it can really send shockwaves across the global economy. So, should the world be worried? Not necessarily, at least not yet. But intelligence flights are happening regularly. Great powers, they are constantly monitoring the rival capability. And here's the key difference: timing plus location plus tensions is equal to strategic message. The message could be deterrence, it could be preparedness, or simply a reminder that America is watching, and that too really closely. So, How will Iran read this? That's a big question. From Tehran's perspective, surveillance near its sphere of influence can feel like a lot of pressure on them. Iran has repeatedly warned against foreign military escalation in that particular region. And history tells us something very important. Misinterpretation is one of the biggest triggers of a conflict. A defensive move by one side can look offensive to the other, and that is how crises spiral. So, this is why the whole Middle East remains a global flashpoint right now. Too many weapons, too many rivalries, too many red lines, and increasingly too many rooms for the error. One miscalculation, one aggressive signal, and one assumption, and the tensions can rise overnight. So, are we heading towards war? There is no confirmation of that, but what are we clearly seeing is heightened vigilance. The US is sharpening its awareness, Iran is asserting its deterrence, and global powers are watching very carefully because in modern geopolitics, ladies and gentlemen, battles often begin long before the first missile launches.